Welcome to the best picks. The best screwdriver for glasses is probably one of the most underrated tools in your everyday carry. We're diving deep into the world of these tiny but mighty instruments, essential for anyone who wears glasses. Whether you're tightening a loose screw, replacing a lost one, or just giving your frames a little TLC, having the right screwdriver can save you a lot of hassle and potential damage to your precious eyewear. Let's find the perfect one for you. Number 5. Mini screwdriver set for watch, eyeglass, and jewelry repair. This mini screwdriver set is perfect for delicate repairs. It includes various sizes of Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, making it ideal for watches, eyeglasses, and jewelry. The set features 2 Phillips head screwdrivers and 4 flathead screwdrivers in different sizes. This variety ensures that you have the right tool for any small repair task. The screwdrivers come in a convenient plastic storage box. This keeps them organized and makes it easy to carry them around the house or take them with you. The precision screwdriver set is designed for a comfortable grip and efficient use. The spinning end caps increase speed and make your work easier. The blades are made of hardened and tempered rust-proof steel. This ensures longevity and durability, making it a must-have tool for any toolbox. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. If you have any issues, please contact us. Add it to your cart now. What we like. This screwdriver set offers a variety of sizes, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. It comes in a convenient storage box, making it easy to keep your tools organized and accessible. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile set for various small repairs, this is a great choice. What people say. The tool kit is nice and the screw size was exactly the one I needed for the system. The bits are durable and precise, making them useful for small devices, though I found the set lacking when dealing with more advanced electronics or machinery. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable during use, and the organized storage case is well thought out. Number 4. HOTO 24-in-1 Mini Screwdriver Set. This HOTO screwdriver set is a complete mini toolkit, perfect for everyday tasks and travel. It's designed to be your ultimate sidekick, ready for any challenge. This 24-in-1 screwdriver makes assembling and disassembling tiny screws a breeze. It's ideal for electronics, gizmos, and DIY projects. It's a versatile tool for various needs. The mini screwdriver set features a sleek metal exterior made from high-grade aluminum alloy. The bits are made of tough S2 alloy steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. All 12 double-ended bits are cleverly stored within the handle. When you slide a bit into the magnetic slot, it clicks into place. This design makes swapping bits easy and prevents loss. The small screwdriver set has a polyhedral surface for a comfortable grip. It allows for effortless one-handed operation. The cover also has whisper-quiet bearings for smooth turns. This EDC screwdriver includes 24 bits to tackle any job. You'll find a variety of Phillips, flat blade, hex, Torx, and other specialized bits. It's a comprehensive solution for all your needs. What we like. This set is a versatile 24-in-1 multi-tool, perfect for a wide range of tasks. The magnetic storage keeps all the bits secure and organized. Thanks to the ergonomic grip, it feels great in your hand. If you are looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly tool for electronics and DIY projects, this is the one. What people say. The screwdriver is small and easy to carry. It comes with a variety of different heads. It works perfectly for glasses. Number 3. TEKPREM Eyeglass Repair Kit. This is a complete kit for repairing eyeglasses. It includes various screws, screwdrivers, nose pads, a tweezer, and a cleaning cloth. It has everything you need to fix your glasses. The magnetic screwdriver set includes both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers in multiple sizes. They are designed specifically for eyeglass screws, ensuring a perfect fit without slipping. This makes the repair process much easier. The kit comes with different types of silicone nose pads. There are both normal and air chamber nose pads. The air chamber pads are thicker and softer, providing more comfort. You can choose the best fit for your glasses. The screw box contains a variety of screws, nuts, caps, and washers in different sizes. These are suitable for repairing eyeglass frames, hinges, and replacing nose pads. They are also great for sunglasses and frameless glasses. The precision curved tweezer is pointed and sharp, making it easy to pick up tiny screws or nose pads. It is a very helpful tool when repairing glasses. This makes the whole process more convenient. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for complete eyeglass repair, including screws and nose pads. The screwdrivers are specifically designed for eyeglasses, ensuring a perfect fit. If you have glasses and want to handle repairs yourself, this kit is a must-have. What people say. Worked perfectly. Also, the tweezers in this set are next level. I have had the screws come out of my glasses and this kit had the right size screwdriver to put them back. It has a nice variety of sizes. Number 2. MULWARK 6 PCS Mini Screwdriver Set for Electronics. Introducing the MULWARK Mini Screwdriver Set, your go-to solution for delicate repairs. This set is perfect for eyeglasses, watches, and other small electronics. It's a must-have for anyone who needs precision. This compact set includes 6 precision tools, neatly stored in a clear view case. It's designed for electronics, phones, tablets, and laptops. This mini screwdriver set is perfect for on-the-go repairs. Crafted with heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, this set is built to last. It can withstand thousands of uses, making it ideal for eyeglass repairs and other micro projects. The ultra-strong magnetic tips securely grip tiny screws. It ensures that you won't lose any small screws during your repairs. This feature makes the job much easier. The aircraft-grade aluminum handles provide a non-slip grip, even with sweaty hands. The laser-etched diamond knurling ensures maximum control and precision. It solves the slippery handle feedback. This kit includes 3 slotted and 3 Phillips screwdrivers. The PH00 tip is specifically calibrated for eyeglasses, phones, and other electronics. It's the set professionals trust. What we like. This set features magnetic tips to securely hold tiny screws. The ergonomic handle provides a non-slip grip for precision control. It includes a PH00 tip, perfect for electronics. If you work with small electronics or eyeglasses, this set will make your work much easier. What people say. This set, case, and included magnet are excellent in materials and construction. It has a swivel head that makes it easier to use with small items. The tips of the screwdrivers are definitely magnetized and picked up my screws very well. Number 1. Small screwdriver set for electronics and eyeglass, gold. Introducing this small screwdriver set, perfect for intricate repairs. It comes with 5 magnetic screwdriver bits, making it easy to handle tiny screws. The bits are made of premium steel, ensuring they last. The handle is designed with a non-slip grip, providing comfort and control. The top cover rotates and pulls out for easy access. The handle also stores the other bits, so you won't lose them. When working with non-iron screws, this set is perfect. The bits and screws won't attract each other, making the process smoother. This small screwdriver set is great for repairing computers, phones, laptops, and more. It's a must-have tool for any tech enthusiast. What we like. This set comes with magnetic bits to help you with the tiny screws. The bits are made of premium steel for durability. The handle has a non-slip design. If you are looking for a compact and reliable screwdriver set for your glasses, this is a great choice. What people say. Useful, exactly what you'd expect. I love that the extra screw heads are stored inside the body of the tool itself. Brilliant design. I also like the little spinny wheel on the back, it really does help. Perfect item and exactly as pictured. Adequate strength for small magnetic screw tips. 5 bits are included, making it very versatile and good value for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.